to the channel. Today we're looking at the new rocket that you've probably seen before, but it has now had motors added to it and it is powered, and we'll be talking through in this video of how this has been done. To allow us to get a better look at the locomotive, I've removed the tender. This is done by removing the pin out of the tender and the lead from the control box. So first, if we look how the motor is attached, it's attached to the underneath of the locomotive, where the axle coming out of it has two bevel gears on it that allows the power to be transferred from there into the wheels. This lead here caused a bit of trouble trying to hide it. This one actually goes into a slot brick that if I remove him from here, open up the firebox, this will show you how it works. It simply comes through the side of the firebox via the slot brick. This allows it to kind of be hidden for most of its journey into the tender. While undertaking the changes, I've also had a few cosmetic changes to the train to make it look better and run better. So there's still the old pistons are still in place, but I have edited the back of it with the fireboxes to make it look a bit more realistic, with a couple of valves and a door handle to open the door. I've also changed the wheels from the standard Technic type to these ball bearing wheels, where I've pulled the actual wheels off and changed them with some custom ones made by Brecklin Bricks. I will link them in the description. And I've used the same old pin system as before, but I've pulled it further and there's no middle coupling anymore. Allows it to look a lot closer together. And now we move on to the tender. This is the new tender design. I've made it look a little bit better, add some more detail on it, some wheel bearing covers as well, make it look a bit more realistic. This has had the same upgrade as the actual locomotive. It's had the ball bearing wheels put in it. This again just allows it to move a lot easier, means I can get more power out of my locomotive. It's the same modified plates to allow the pins to be attached into them, and inside here is the power system that if you simply remove the side, you can see how it's attached inside of the tender. And lastly but not least, we have the old coach. I've done not much to the coach, but I've changed the wheels basically on it. So these now have custom Brecklin Brick see-through spoked wheels, so they look more in line with the rest of the train. Now let's have a look at it running as a set.